You fat bastard. You fat bastard. You fat bastard. You fat bastard.
Okay, turkey and gravy, which you guys said was the worst.
You fat bastard.
Yeah, I wouldn't mess this brain up.
They say you've never seen a salad.
It smells like grease, like turkey grease.
That's
Yeah,
why you're
like
fat.
great.
You wobble like a jelly. And your ass is so fat. You're out of breath just talking. Too fat to shag. You can't see your face. You're a fat slag.
Just stop. I don't wonder.
You're very cute.
You eat for all.
You're not gonna make anybody cute.
Wanna give me a kiss?
Let
me out of here. Get me out of here.
Get her, Nigel. Get her. Get her, Nigel.
What? That's gross. No way, I'm gonna puke. I'll stop it.
You had all the pies.
What are you doing to
You
Mom?
fat bastard.
Is it really that bad?
You want to do it to nephew?
That was the first person view right there.